Don't use the Google Message trash feature because it might permanently delete your important messages without warning. Most people think deleted message stay safe in trash folder, but that's not fully true. In this video, I will show you step-by-step proof where things get really dangerous for you. Suppose you delete an entire conversation in Google Messages. For example, I delete this conversation. Now go to your trash folder. See, the deleted conversation goes to the trash folder, so you think you are safe, right? But now I show you the real secret, so go back to the chat section. Before go to chat section, recover this deleted chat. Now go to chat section. Now tap on the same deleted conversation. Now select a message. Now delete it. Now go back and go to trash folder again. Now see, the deleted message does not go to trash at all. It's gone completely. No recovery, no backup inside the app. And this is the part most people don't realize. You might delete one important message like a verification code, address, or necessary document or essential proof, and you assume you can recover it later, but you can't because Google Messages only send full conversation to trash bin, not individual message from a whole conversation. So before you delete anything in Google Messages, double check if it's a full conversation or just one message. So like this video so more people don't lose their important messages.